So in this lecture, we are going to solve problems based on cosine rules. Is it okay? Now the first problem here given is, find the greatest angle of the triangle whose sides are x square plus x plus 1, 2x plus 1 and x square minus 1. So we have to find out the greatest angle of the triangle. So to know the greatest angle, we have to find out which side is the greatest among the given three sides. Because we know that the angles opposite to the greatest side is greatest in any triangle. So from here we can say, you observe carefully, x square plus x plus 1. These are all sides. Now let us say this is your A. Okay. Now x square plus x plus 1, in this case, it is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to real values. Because from the quadratic expression you can understand from here the A which is equals to 1. A means the coefficient of x square. And the discriminant in this case is minus 3 which is less than 0. If A is greater than 0 and the discriminant is less than 0, then the expression is always positive for all real values of x. Now, again, x square minus 1, it has to be greater than 0 as well as 2x plus 1 has to be greater than 0. Why it is so? Because these are all the sides. So your sides cannot be negative. So from here we can get, that is, x is greater than 1 or x is less than minus 1. And from here we are getting x is greater than minus half. Is it clear to all of you? Now, what should be the values of x combining these three? This one, as well as this one. So what should be the values of x combining these three such that all these conditions are satisfied? That is, all the sides are positive. Now, combining these three, we can say that your x is greater than 1, satisfying all those conditions. So, in this problem, the sides which are given to us here, your x is greater than 1. Now, you observe, x square plus x plus 1, this is always greater than x square minus 1. Are you with me? Is it clear or not? Why? Because I am telling you, x square plus x plus 1 is greater than x square. If we assume that this is true, you see your x square goes off. So your x is greater than, in this case we are getting x is greater than minus 2. Is it clear? Thus, the given condition x is greater than 1 is satisfying this. Therefore, x square plus x plus 1 is greater than x square minus 1. Now you see, your x square is greater than x, as your x is greater than 1, so we can say x square is greater than x. Now, we are adding x plus 1 on both sides. So what we are going to get? We are going to get x square plus x plus 1 is greater than 2x plus 1. That is, this side is greater than this one, as well as we have proved that it is greater than x square minus 1. Therefore, the greatest side is nothing but x square plus x plus 1. Thus, the angle opposite to this x square plus x plus 1 will be greatest in this triangle. Is it clear? Now, let us assume that the side A is x square plus x plus 1, B is 2x plus 1 and C is x square minus 1. Okay, so the greatest angle is A. So let us try to find out what is your cos A. Okay, so cos A is what? It is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Can you remember the cosine formula? So cos of A is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. So what we are going to get here? B x square minus 1 whole square minus, right, 2bc. Okay. Now let me just open the brackets. This is a plus b plus c whole square, so we are just expanding that. Are you getting my point? This is basically a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Divided by 2 times 2x plus 1 x square minus 1. So x to the power 4 x to the power 4 goes off. Again, your 2x square, 2x square, 4x square, 4x square goes off. 1 goes off. So we are left with what? Tell me fast. It's basically minus 2x cube, then plus 2x, then we are getting plus 1, and then we are getting minus x square. Is it clear? Divided by 2 times 2x plus 1 x square minus 1. Let me take minus common. So we are left with 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 divided by 2 times 2x plus 1 x square minus 1. Is it okay to all of you? Okay. Now, so we are factorizing. So we are getting Is it okay? So we are getting what? I'm writing it here. So we are getting what? Cos A is nothing but minus half. Therefore, A is how much? A is nothing but 2 pi by 3. Is it clear to all of you? Have you understood? Therefore, the greatest angle of this triangle is 2 pi by 3. That is 120 degrees. Is it okay? So in the second problem, we have been given that in any triangle ABC, if 1 by A plus C plus 1 by B plus C equals to 3 by A plus B plus C, then prove that angle C is nothing but 60 degrees. So we have been given 1 by A plus C, 1 by B plus C is equals to 3 by A plus B plus C. Now I'm cross multiplying this, so we are going to get A plus B plus C by A plus C, A plus B plus C divided by B plus C is equals to 3. Is it clear? So from here we are getting B by A plus C plus 1 plus A by B plus C plus 1 equals to 3. So we are left with B by A plus C plus A by B plus C is equals to 1. So let me just go for the LCM. We are going to get B times B plus C plus A times A plus C will be equal to A plus C into B plus C. So after multiplying, we are going to get so BC goes off, AC goes off. So we are left with B square plus A square minus C square equals to AB. So B square plus A square minus C square divided by 2AB will give you 1 by 2. This is nothing but your b square plus a square minus c square divided by 2ab is nothing but your cos c. Therefore, cos c is half. That implies angle C is 60 degrees. Is it clear? Therefore, your angle C is 60 degree proved. In this problem, they have given us for any triangle, if it is given that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is 3 by 2, then prove that the triangle is an equilateral triangle. Is it clear? So see how we are using cosine rule in this problem. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C is 3 by 2. Now just apply the cosine rules for cos A, for cos B as well as for cos C. What we are going to get? So we are getting, after taking LCM and cancelling 2 from both sides, we are getting Is it okay? Now, if I multiply, what we are going to get? Is it okay to all of you? Okay. Now, I'm taking a cube, b cube and c cube in the right hand side. So we are left with, in the left hand side, equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3abc. Okay. So what I'm doing here is, I'm writing minus 6 ABC over here and I am subtracting 6 ABC in the left hand side also. So what we are going to get from here? AB square minus 2 ABC plus AC square. I'm taking it in one bracket. I'm taking this one, AB square, AC square, as well as minus 2ABC from here. Okay. The next one, A square B minus 2ABC plus, it's A square B, right? So we are taking BC square. So A square B, BC square and minus 2AB in one bracket. So another one, the rest one is CA square minus 2ABC plus CB square. Is it clear to all of you? Have you understood this? Okay. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, which gives you of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. What is the formula? It's A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Is it clear? Now, common. I mean, if I divide it by 2, then we will multiply with 2 and this one will give you A minus B whole square, B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. Is it clear to all of you? Have you understood this? Now, in the left hand side, if I take A common, we are going to get B minus C whole square. From here we are getting, if we take B common, it's A minus C whole square. And here, if I take C common, we are going to get A minus B whole square, which is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2, then A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus c minus a whole square. Am I correct? Is it okay to all of you? Now what I'm doing here is, I'm just cross multiplying this two. I'm just cross multiplying this two. So what we are going to get? We are getting 2a b minus c whole square plus 2b a minus c whole square plus 2c a minus b whole square, which is equals to a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square, c minus a whole square. Is it clear? Now, if we observe in the right hand side, we will get a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus a plus b plus c into b minus c whole square plus a plus b plus c into c minus a whole square. So what I'm doing here is, I'm taking everything in the left hand side, and we are taking, if we take b minus c whole square common, so we are left with what? We are left with 2a minus a minus b minus c, b minus c whole square. Again, 2b minus a minus b minus c, a minus c whole square plus 2c minus a minus b minus c, a minus b whole square. Is it clear? And in the right hand side, we are going to get 0. So we are having, if we take a minus common, so we will be left with b plus c minus a, b minus c whole square, a plus c minus b, a minus c whole square, a plus b minus c, a minus b whole square equals to 0. Is it clear to all of you? Absolutely. Okay. Now you observe, since a, b, c are the sides of a triangle, so we all know that the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Therefore, we must say that b plus c is greater than a plus c b, and a plus b is greater than c. Therefore, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, right? But the sum of these three positive numbers is equals to 0. It is only possible when b minus c is equals to 0, a minus c equals to 0, and a minus b equals to 0. So from here we are getting b equals to c, a equals to c, and a equals to b implies a equals to b equals to c. That is, the triangle is an equilateral triangle. Have you understood this problem properly? This problem is, a very interesting problem. So you must remember the procedure that I have followed. Is it okay? Now, in the next class, in the next lecture, we will go for problems based on projection rule. Is it okay?